Yes, your task reward will change once your country will change din po. Siyempre, depende sa policy ng country. Every region has own policy, own tasking. May time na magkakaiba tayo ng task reward. And regarding naman po sa pag-change of country, of course, it depends on your citizenship. Hindi porket nasa ibang bansa ka is kailangan ganun yung country mo. Siyempre, depende yun kung ano yung citizenship mo. Kung nagpakasal ka ba dyan. Yung iba naman kasi, sobrang tagal na sa country na yun, citizen na doon. So, kapag magpapa-change kayo ng country, yun lang naman ang kailangan ninyo, citizenship. So, if you have any proof of citizenship of your country and you wanted to change your country, syempre mag-message na kayo sa help. Help, message feedback, consult, change of gender or country. Yun lang naman yung kailangan ninyo. And if you need further assistance, guys, sakali man po na halimbawa nag-send kayo ng mga details ninyo na kayo citizen sa country na 'to, etcetera like that, and hindi na-grant yung wish niyo na ma-change, puwede kayong lumapit sa'min and we will check if we can help you. So, maraming customer service diyan and of course, kayo magpapauto ha. Malalaman niyo naman po na part ng customer service kapag may badge ni Popolive. So, my user ID is 79170. I'm doing live every 9 p.m. by Tuesday hanggang Saturday. So, today was my day off. So, see you again tomorrow. So, sa mga nag-message sa akin sa WhatsApp, bukas na. Okay? Para isahan na lang. So, marami akong tutorials sa aking social media accounts. Just search Tita Laika. So, medyo maulan. So, stay safe and dry, guys.